Iburigakko. Iburigakko. We're on board on the university chartered bus and we're going to Yukote City. Mga nasa almost 2 hours yung biyahe papunta ng Yukote City. And pagdating natin doon, magpa-farm stay kami. And we will spend rest of the day saka hanggang bukas para sa pagpe-prepare. Palagay ko kami papak or magpe-prepare nung smoked daikon for the Iburigakko. Ayan, kabiyahe pa na tayo. Mga 30 minutes na lang siguro darating na kami ng Yokote City. And tingnan nyo naman yung kapal ng snow, sobrang kapal. Ayan, yung mga bahay almost natatakpan na, natatabunan. And sobrang kapal ng snow. Saka siguro palagay ko pag nasa labas, sobrang malamig. And of course, dito sa loob ng bus may heater naman, so hindi na masyadong lamig. Busy nagkukwentuhan yung mga friends natin, mga kasabay natin dito. And 4 of them were Japanese university students. May isa kaming kasamang from Mongolia. Saka ako at saka yung mga staff ng organizers nitong farm stay. Grabe yung bahay, almost matabunan ng snow. Yung mga puno, almost covered na rin. Pero bilib ako dito sa mga punong to, kahit sobrang malamig, hindi pa din natutuyo yung mga dahon. Pero yung mga iba, tanggal na dahon na sila kasi nga, sobrang kapal na ng snow. Except lang nitong mga kahoy na to, ewan ko anong tawag dito sa mga kahoy na to. And tingnan nyo yung bahay, Ayan, sobrang kapal ng snow sa bubong. Grabe. Malapit na daw kami nakarating dun sa bahay ng farmer. By the way, din kami nag-stay nung nakaraan. Nung nag-harvest kami ng daikon. Nilakasan natin, ready para iburo siya sa isang malaking container. And then, nilagyan nung parang mga pagdadry, sugar, may tea, nilagyan ng mga iba't ibang pampalasa na sumarap. Ayun, ganyan gumawa ng Iburigakko, Japanese farmers. Look at that large person. Ayan, andito na kami sa bahay ng farmer. Tingnan nyo naman yung palibot nila. Grabe ang snow. Oh, the snow is so thick. There's a lot of snow. Ayan, sobrang kapal ng snow. Hintik na ako dun ah. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, sobrang kapal ng snow. As in. Yeah. Ayan, andito na ako ngayon sa loob nitong area kung saan piniprepare yung iburigako. And itong iburigako guys, ito yung sikat na side dish dito sa Africa. Smoked and pickled Japanese radish. Mahilig ako dito. So, sarap to guys. Sana matry nyo din minsan. Okay. Oh, you can say something. Okay.
記念撮影したいんだそうです。記念撮影始めた。記念撮影そう。
Okay. Say in Japanese. What are you doing?
What are we doing? How can you explain?
We are.
Everybody.
Okay, so guys. Everybody.
Very fine job. No.
Okay.
Very fine job.
Very fine job. Why?
Chopsticks used on.
Eh,
Very
is it difficult? Muskashi. Desu ka? Eh, but, are you having fun? Yes, guys.
Next, coffee break.
Coffee break. Yay, coffee break. Yay, coffee break. Okay, so this is how they do iburigako. Everybody. This is the slicer. That's the packed one. Coffee break. Tell us what's this? Souvenir. Oh.
Kinder is a famous brand name of Irigaki.
Kinder. Kintaro.
Yes, Kintaru. Daru. Kindaru. Daru.
Can we buy this in Itoku? No.
これはこれ全部横手市のあそこで中央に持ってくやつだからこの中国でそういうのがねはい中央は前みたいだけどないんだよ
Oh. すごい。 It's okay. Yeah, thank you. Hello. Hello, hello. Did you enjoy today? Oh, saga. Yukata, yukata. Yeah, I enjoyed so much. How about, did you enjoy today? Were you tired? No.
I just want to check my social life, but obviously was just asking.
Thank you. Bye, barigato.